HESS. This name stands for Swiss quality in vehicle construction from A to Z.
Founded in 1882 by Heinrich Hess in Solothurn.
Now a fifth-generation family business.
The first trolley buses from Carrosserie HESS were put into operation in Biel and Basel in 1940.
In 1977, HESS launched the innovative airport bus, Co-Bus.
With over 3,500 units in daily operation around the world, the Co-Bus today is an outstanding export success of the last remaining Swiss bus manufacturer.
For decades, HESS has been synonymous for reliability. We provide the transport sector with efficient, environmentally friendly and innovative solutions. Around 400 employees and 20 apprentices are committed to this every day. Our goal, to continue to enthuse the transport sector with innovative solutions and highest quality.
The product range of HESS contains buses from 8 to 25 meters in length. Either electrically or traditionally driven, the modular system of construction Cobalt, and also commercial vehicles.
HESS Bellach is also Switzerland's leading provider of life cycle service solutions for buses, commercial vehicles and passenger cars.
An important business activity for HESS is the provision of repairs, maintenance and servicing.
Virtually all materials used have a long service life and are recyclable.
For one of the largest employers in the region with worldwide competition, innovation is the most important business driver.
The future in vehicle construction belongs to electric vehicles. New battery-driven vehicles have been developed by HESS in cooperation with the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology and other Swiss universities for its own market and its licensees the world over.
HESS, state-of-the-art mobility solutions made in Switzerland.